nice. We don't have him collected like we did. There you go. Keep his nose in. Okay, can you bring your hands up a little higher? And cluck. Let's go running walk. Whoops, shorten your reins up. We fell apart. It's okay, start over. All right, hands up. Shorten your reins up a little bit and let's ask him for a flat walk. All right, well, we don't want to canter. Walk. It was a nice takeoff step for your canter though. There you go, keep going. Keep him like that. Feel how his nose is tucked in and he's pushing off his back end better. Let's keep him collected. Good job with your legs, that's better. Okay, go running walk. Just a little faster, but you're gonna have to bring your hands up higher. Squeeze your legs and keep your hands up, bend those elbows. Atta girl. There you go.